keeping its own legacy of enthralling the top-tier smartphone segment alive by releasing an updated series of its flagship Galaxy S series every year. Samsung launched the Galaxy S25 series and won over hearts, but many are seen drawing comparisons between the latest Galaxy S25 range and a bit more affordable rivals like the OnePlus 13R. As it stands, GadInsider, as always, has gathered and compiled a list of primary reasons for which the Galaxy S25 deserves a shot. Here is a descriptive rundown of all the buyers will surely love about the Galaxy S25, let alone the top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is here to steal the limelight for far too long. Galaxy S25 with One UI 7. To touch upon the software stuff, the Samsung Galaxy S25 comes with the latest One UI 7, meaning that users won't have to be on the lookout for top-of-the-line features at least until the rollout of the next One UI update. The most outstanding feature of the One UI 7 include the Now Bar widget on the lock screen, customizable options, and additional tools in the Good Lock app. Snapdragon 8 Elite is here on Galaxy S25. Irrespective of where you're ordering your Galaxy S25 from, it comes integrated with the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, coupled with 2 Prime and 6 performance cores to ensure efficient AI capability and smooth multitasking. Samsung claimed that the new Snapdragon SoC offers 37% faster CPU performance and 30% faster GPU performance over the Snapdragon Gen 3 chip. Galaxy S25 with unmatched camera capabilities, with photographic leaps being the manufacturer's primary prowess, the Galaxy S25 went the extra mile to make sure no rival stands tall against it, despite featuring the same camera hardware as the Galaxy S25. It's packed with a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. But its appeal makes S24 owners envious by accommodating features like audio eraser for reducing noise in photos and nightography for improved low-light video recording.